Good day, everyone. Welcome to the world of math. Today, we are going to study about conditional statements. This is your math teacher, Sir Marvin Panagiton. Let's define conditional statement. A conditional statement is an if-then statement that is called conditional statement. The portion of the sentence following if is called the hypothesis. The part following then is called conclusion. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito, yung pong word after if o yung portion after if ay tinatawag nating hypothesis. Samantala naman po yung portion after the word then is called conclusion. Again, after the word if, that is hypothesis. After the word then, that is conclusion. That is, if P, then Q. P is the hypothesis, Q is the conclusion. Let us have an example. If it is an apple, then it is a fruit. What is now the hypothesis? The hypothesis is a portion after the word if. Therefore, the hypothesis is, it is an apple. How about the conclusion? The conclusion is the portion after the word then. Therefore, the conclusion is, it is a fruit. So, ibig sabihin po, basta po after the word if, that is hypothesis. After the word then, that is conclusion. Let's now transform statements into an equivalent if-then statements. Let us have an example. An equiangular triangle is equilateral. How we are going to transform these statements into an if-then statement. If a triangle is equiangular, then it is equilateral. How about this statement? All obtuse angles measures greater than 90 degrees. If an angle is obtuse, then it measures greater than 90 degrees. Let's define first what is converse statement. The converse statement is formed by switching the hypothesis and conclusion. So, nakukuha po natin yung converse statement kapag po nag-switch o nagpalit ang hypothesis at conclusion nung pong given na ating conditional statement. So, halimbawa po, if it is an apple, then it is a fruit. So, dito po, ito yung conditional statement natin. It is an apple is our hypothesis. It is a fruit is our conclusion. So, para makuha natin yung converse statement, isuswitch natin o pagpapalitin natin ang hypothesis at conclusion. So, ano ngayon po ang ating converse statement? If it is a fruit, then it is an apple. So, kung papansin nyo po, pinagpalit lamang po natin ang hypothesis at ang conclusion. So, the converse may be true or false. So, what is negation? Pag sinabing negation, it is the denial of a statement. So, meaning, nagiging negative po siya. So, halimbawa po, an angle is obtuse. So, what is the negation of this statement? The negation is, an angle is not obtuse. How about inverse statement? Or if not P, then not Q. An inverse statement can be formed by negating both the hypothesis and conclusion of the conditional statement. So let us have an example. If it is an apple, then it is a fruit. So you're going to negate the hypothesis. So, ang negation po ng hypothesis na ito, it is not an apple. Ano naman po ang negation ng it is a fruit? It is not a fruit. So therefore, ang atin pong inverse statement ay, if it is not an apple, then it is not a fruit. So, inenegate lang natin po ang hypothesis at ang conclusion. Let's define what is contrapositive, or if not Q, then not P. Always remember that a contrapositive is formed by negating the hypothesis and conclusion of the converse statement. So, ibig sabihin po, yung converse statement po ang inenegate natin, hindi po yung conditional statement. Ngayon po, para makuha din po ang contrapositive, ito din po yung isuswitch ninyo ang hypothesis at conclusion ng inverse statement. Pwede po ninyong gawin din yon. Now, let us have an example. If it is an apple, then it is a fruit. Paano natin kukunin ang contrapositive? Ngayon po, kailangan alam po natin ang converse statement muna. Di ba ang converse statement nito, yung kanina po, na if it is a fruit, then it is an apple. So, ibig sabihin po, para makuha natin ang converse, di ba po, pinagpapalit natin o nagsinuswitch natin ang hypothesis and conclusion. Kailangan marunong po muna tayo nun. So, ang converse again is, if it is a fruit, then it is an apple. Ngayon po, kapag yun po yung converse natin, makukuha na natin yung contrapositive. If it is not a fruit, then it is not an apple. Ganun lamang po kadali yan.